Vivet, my BFF. Here's for you. Oh, BFF, I forgot your,
Iniiling ko ngayon na buong katapatan ninyong ipahayag ang inyong damdamin sa isa't isa. Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Arnold na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Arnold, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Florence na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Magtitingin sa camera.
Ganun baga. Okay, always, sana itong araw na ito ay maging happy ka sa araw ng iyong kasal. Congrats na lang at sana maging masaya ka habang buhay.
How about a round of applause to the bride and groom? Come on! They look beautiful and handsome. Yeah, you all better say yes, okay?
Let's go.
Ice cream! Wow! Left side naman.
Lawrence, sa masang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Arnold na narito ngayon at isunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Kung puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
Kung puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
I can't express how much I love them both. I can't even tell you how much, even to describe who they are, because what they've done, I know for you, but for me personally, they've brought me into their family and treat me as blood, so I don't consider them sister-in-law and brother-in-law. They are my blood. They love me like no other, as they love my children as their own, and I'll never forget that. So I am honored here today to be your best man, and I'm also honored here to be your brother. So I love you both so much. Congratulations.
Can you feel it? There's a rushing wind at our back, and we're
Kamusta na kayo?
rushing.
Nainitan ba kayo?
Don't even know where we'll land. Can you hear it? There's a steady sound getting louder as our feet touch down. Follow the night until it's ringing out loud. 'Cause we found something to hold on to now. So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Enjoy the ride.
O Panginoon, kami po ay inyong loobin
There's a
kung kay saan ang loob at damdamin. Mula ngayon, sa kaginhawaan, at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
Something to hold on to now. Rushing wind. Can you feel it? Can you hear it? The steady sound. Can you hear it? Can you see it? The distant shore. Can you see it? Can you see it? I can see it. We found something to hold on to now.
Guests in this room tonight, but just in case, I am Belle, aka Abel, and si Isa here, also known as Flordalisa, and we're the sisters of the bride. I'll be taking the lead because my sister Isa here, hutik niya sa akon, Ate Abel, ikaw na lang maghambay kay base mag-inuwang lang gid ako, hindi ako tapos ng akon speech. Alright, so here we go. Florence, aka OS, said this to me. Ate Abel, wag yung nakakaiyak na speech ha. No, maala-ala mo kaya stories. We've had happy and many challenges in life, and our relationship, nothing compared. We're very close, my siblings and I. Nasaan yung mga Ewoks? There you go. My siblings and I are very lucky having always as a sister. She's kind, helpful, very supportive, and hardworking. We've always wanted the best for our dear Owen. So when we first met Arnold, also known as Nold, we knew that Owen is in good hands. Arnold loves my dear sister very much. Arnold is a great man, a great brother-in-law. We're very lucky to have Arnold in the family. Yes! Through the years, we've witnessed the love and strong bond between them. Love that had been bonded since they met at the age of 18 years old. They are the dynamic duo, loved by many friends and relatives because they are just amazing and wonderful. We are grateful and honored to be here with you, celebrating this wonderful wedding day, my dear sister Arnold and Owen. Keep loving each other and be happy always and forever. And let me tell you this, I know tonight is gonna be a great night! Come on! Si Isa lang ko ang ending.
Good evening everyone. Salamat sa lahat ng pagpunta dito sa aking napakagandang kapatid at napakagwapong brother-in-law, Kuya Arnold at Ate Owes. Ang masasabi ko lang ay congratulations to my beautiful sister Owes and my handsome brother-in-law, Kuya Arnold. Salamat sa lahat ng pagtulong niyo sa amin at yun lang, ayoko na umiyak.
Palangganit namon no duha. We love you very much.
Good evening. I am Alfie Paredes. I'm the brother-in-law of Arnold. In behalf of the Castillo family, I want to congratulate Florence and Arnold on their beautiful union. It is an honor to be part of what I can only describe as a dream wedding. I've known Arnold for more than 27 years, and I've seen him transform into the incredible man that he is today. I also met Florence around that time, and I've witnessed firsthand the happiness that she brings to Arnold. Florence, you look absolutely stunning tonight. It is clear to everyone how much you mean to Arnold. And I do want to say to Arnold how lucky to call you as my brother-in-law. You've always been there, both of you actually, for the entire family. Always helping us, supporting the family. And so to the newlyweds, may your love continue to grow stronger with each passing day. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, laughter, unforgettable memories. Cheers! Cheers! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Raise your glass, everyone, and let's share a toast. Cheers!
Play it back again, just one more time, 'cause I wanna see it whenever I close my eyes. If I write it down and hold it close, would it give me this feeling whenever I need it most? Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be like this, just like this. Just like this. When we're far from home and the winds get strong, know that I'll keep us steady no matter the